Okay, so this video is going to go over units. And the majority of this information can be found in sources such as section 1.2 in the Palm textbook, specifically the third edition is what I'm using here. And for the most part, we'll work with units using the metric system, or at least that most of my examples will focus on that. But I want to point out some important units to keep in mind. And one of the most confusing things for some people is frequency. Well, just keep in mind that frequency has a few different units or representations. Omega traditionally means radians per second, which is radians over seconds. F traditionally represents cycles per second, or 1 over s, which is 1 hertz. And omega relates to f by 2 pi. So omega is equal to 2 pi times f. Relating to this as well, we have our period of oscillation, which is represented by a t or a p in some cases, for the sinusoids. So for example, in the figure here, we can see the time between our peaks t, that's our period, and our period is equal to 1 over f, which is the same thing as 2 pi over omega. Connecting to this as well, we have revolutions per minute, which is 2 pi over 60 radians per second. And our force is measured by newtons, which is a kilogram times meters divided by seconds squared. Energy is measured by joules, which is a newton meter. And power, which is the rate of change of energy, is a watt, which is just a joule over a second, which is actually the same units as volts times amps. And in addition to all this, the Kelvin scale is based as the focused one in this class for temperature, where Kelvin is equal to your temperature in Celsius plus 273.15. And that's it for units.